Yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name remains Dunson. Thank you all for following up with my class so far. I'm grateful. I believe and hope you've been able to gain one or two things, and I believe by this stage we should be able to draw a typical building design plan for those of you that have been following up with my classes from day one. So on today's class we'll be taking doors and windows schedule. So the first tool we'll be needing is our construction line. So we'll just pick it up. Let's go vertical first, enter, put it here, then escape. We'll click on our construction line again, pick it up. This time we're using horizontal, that's H, enter, then just put it somewhere, escape. So we use our trim, TR, enter. We are taking this off and we are taking this off. We don't need these two lines. So escape. Excuse me. Then offset 27, right? That's 2700. So from here downwards. All right, so from here would impute 300. So 300 from here to here. Okay, I'm guessing most of you are wondering what is this guy doing. Okay, let's go in so we won't be lost, nobody be left behind. So close that. So for example, now let's say I want to do a toilet door. For example, I want to do a toilet door. I want to do a door schedule of a toilet door, for example. So offset 750 as my toilet door. Toilet doors are usually 750, 800, even 900, depending on the architect or designer, but I'm using 750 here. So I'll click on offset again, then impute 300, then enter. So 300 from here to here, thank you. 300 from here to here, thank you. Then 300 from here to here, thank you. So once I'm done, introduce my trim, enter. So I'm taking this off, I'm taking this off, I'm taking this, and this, thank you. So once all that has been taken off, I'll just come here and do away with this line and this as well. So what we're doing, what we are doing is we're focusing on our toilet door. So from here, what are we doing? We've gotten our toilet door. Now we want to focus on our door frame. So for the door frame design, just take note of this simple design measurement. Let's go 25. So I'll set 25 from here upwards, 25 from here to the side, then 25 from here as well. Then I'll click on my fillet and sorry, let's just take everything once and for all. One step back, I'll click on offset again, then I'll impute 75, enter. So offset 75 from here to here, 75 from here to here, then 75 from here to here. So I'll click on offset again, then this time around 25 again, enter. So 25 from here to here, upwards, we're going upwards, we're going outside, then we're going taking it outside. Okay, so once we're done, then we'll click on our fillet and chamfer. So we'll close this and this, we'll close that up. We'll repeat our fillet by right clicking. So we'll close this and this up, then we'll just keep repeating fillet till we close everything up. So just constantly keep repeating fillets. Yes, we'll close that up, repeat this and this. Okay, Ctrl Z, that's wrong. So click on our fillet and chamfer again. Whenever we click on a particular command and we keep right clicking to repeat, and we accidentally or have to click on another tool, is definitely going to undo the redo. Okay, that sounds like too much English. Or delete this line. So yeah, so this is my toilet door frame. Then I'll pick on rectangle. I'll click on rectangle. Let's say I want to introduce like a glass. I want to introduce like a glass cutting through my toilet door, for example. I just want to introduce a glass. I just want there to be a glass, glass concept cutting through. So what am I doing? So I'll zoom in. You could come up with your design. This is just my own design, and if you choose to want to use something like this for your toilet or a toilet door, fine and good. You're allowed to. It's a free world. So click on offset. I'm using 200, so 200, enter. I'm bringing it down, dropping it down. Yes. So after imputing 200, I'm just going to just go with that all the way down. So 200 from here down, and 200. What this is just my concept for a glass. This is just my concept for glass cutting and all that. So yeah, once I'm done, I leave that to be that. So yeah, it's looking more like a toilet window. Yeah, I know, right? So once we're done with that, we just pick our line and close this off. We're just going to close this off. Yeah, close that. Then sorry, Control Z, and sorry, excuse me, rather. Click on our line and close that up. Escape. Click on our line again, and we close this up as well. Sorry, I'll close this up as well. So once we're done, just escape that. So having that closed, my AutoCAD has been acting a bit funny lately. So after that has been done, then what do we need to do next? We need to introduce a door handle for this door. So yeah, my door handle, for my door handle, I just want to pick my rectangle. So I want it at this level, so I'll just create something that looks like a door handle. Yeah, then I'll pick my rectangle again, but this time around I'll be zooming, sorry, escape. I'll be zooming in properly so I can have a clear view of what I am doing. So I need my navigation tool, so zoom in, my navigation tool to zoom in. So I'll pick my rectangle again, and I just create something that looks like a door. Yeah, in fact I want it to even cut through to this point. So yeah, having done that, trim, enter. So I'll just take this off to make it look real. So once that is done, oh sorry, and I'll cut this, I'll trim that to enter. So I'll trim this as well. So having done that, I need to specify a key point where I could put my key. So let's use circle. So I'll just specify from this point. I'll just drop my small circle. Yep, that is fine. So once that is done, I am done with my door handle. You could choose to give that door handle a different design and something to play around with, but as long as you get what you get my point, so we're good to go. So you could come here to specify. I usually like to specify my door measurement with my dimension, so that when sorry, yeah, so that when 750 to 1, yeah, so that when sorry, let me just bring this to this point. Yeah, fine and good. Yeah, so I just specified that, so that when when the architect or the builder or whoever is supervising, or the structural engineer, whoever is supervising the the building and looks into the building plan and sees this, you understand, okay, this will be used for the toilet, so he knows the specifications and all that. Then to make it okay, let me just use diamond. Yeah, it's not compulsory, but most designers like to use broken lines to just bring it to the half point and cut it, something like that. But depends on you. But as long as you understand what I'm trying to do here, fine and good. So offset 200, enter. So I'll pick my 200 from here downwards. So once I'm done, in order to avoid confusion, I'll just bring this, then drop it, yep, there. So escape. So once I'm done, I'll just offset my 200 again. I'm looking for 1 2 3 4 5. I'm looking for 5 lines. I've done 1, remaining 4. Offset 200 and enter. So I'll take this 1, then take this again 2, then this again 3, then this again 4. Yeah, so I believe we're good to go. Then I'll use my offset 2. I'm just going to offset let's say 600. Let's say 600, enter. So from here to here, or better still, let's say 700. Offset 700, enter. So let's say from here to here, then trim, tr, enter. So I'll trim this off. So once I am done with that, so this table is just for specifications and all that. So I'll come here to my where's my text. Yeah, I'll come here to my text. I'll click on multiple text. So here is just specify, then I'll just highlight, then drag. Yeah, here is just to specify our detail for the door. So on the first bar, we are going with let's go with cap lock for everything. So that's door, I think I'll have to reduce my what is it called, my text height. So what am I going to do? I'm just cancel, sorry, escape. Nope, I'm just going to bring it outside, then you come here. Okay. Step aside first. I'm trying to play around here and see if that is possible. Nope. Okay, so this is just what I'm going to do. I'm just going to go back to my dimension style, then I'll come here, and for this particular one, let's say sorry, for this particular one, okay, come here, then manage my dimension style. So what I just want to do is I just need to modify this. Come here, then my text height, let me leave this to be although you can usually, okay, let me just leave this to be I think 50 should be fine, I guess. But the thing is, this is going to actually affect the others, then close. Yeah, okay, I think 50 is fine. Or sorry, let me use 100. So it doesn't look too big. It doesn't look too big and too small. Dimension, let's modify. Then we'll come here. We come to text. Under text style, we'll just click here. Then we'll come to our height. Let me use 100. so it won't look too big and it will not look too small. So close, then okay, then close. Okay, I think 100 is fine, right? Yeah, 100 is fine. So once we're done with that, then I'll come and pick my text. I'll go to text, then multi-text, and I just highlight this here. So all on cap lock, door description. So that's the first one, door description. So door description, make sure it's on, sorry, we'll extend this to make sure it's on one single line. Then once we're done, yep, so that means this line is going to we're going to be moving this line away from here, and just bringing it, yep. So that's what we're doing. So on the next line, but better still, let's just we're just going to just copy this instead of just centralize this, then paste and paste, and so it will be easy for us to do copy and paste where that needs to be done. So okay, so we'll just position this somewhere around here, then pick this up again, then copy. So we'll copy from here to here to here, then to here. So for here let me just continue so we understand. Double click, then highlight this, then we're going to tag this as subframe, then frame, subframe. Okay, then we'll come here, we'll just double click, then highlight, then we'll insert our height and save. So we just our height and save. Excuse me, our height and width, rather, our height and width, yes. So once we're done, we'll come here, double click, then highlight, then we'll insert this to be location specifying where do we want this toilet to be used. Then our total quantity, how many of this type of doors we will be using in this plan. So total quantity, we have this to be the total quantity, yes. So for our door description, this is where we need to do some detailings of the door in particular. So we highlight this. So let me for example, let's say this door now is a single, let's say this door is a single leaf, let's say single leaf, comma, then swing, then comma, then let's say it's a wooden, with handle. Let's say it's a wooden with handle, then it has lock, hinge as well. Say it has lock hinges as well. Then door stopper. It has a door stop. Then what else? And accessories. Let's say an accessories. So this is just describing the characteristics of the door, what the door comprises of. It's just like trying to give a full detail of a human head. So what are we expected to to describe the human head, the eyes, the nose, the mouth, the ears, and all that. So once we're done, we're just going to expand this. We are just going to expand this. Sorry. We use our navigation tool so that we can have a good view. Then we double click this. We're going to double click this, then we just see we have everything on a single line. Once we have everything on a single line, so we're just going to use our pan to move this, then escape. So double click this, then we open this up like that, yeah. So once we're done, we have that sorted out for our door description. Then for our subframe, we just leave this subframe, leave that space blank. Then for height and width, is already dimensioned there, so you can easily see that our height and width is easily dimensioned there. This is 750. This is 750 by 21. That's 2.1. Sorry, that's 2.1. Yeah. Then our location, obviously these are toilet doors, so we have this highlight. We have this located at the toilet. Sorry, at the toilets. So quantity, for example, let's say we have like about 13 of these door types, or 13 toilets in the building, so we just say 13 numbers. So once we're done, we'll just click outside. So for this type of door, we are done with describing this type of door. So here, underneath here, we could just pick this up, then just let's make it closer to this place. Then just pick this up like this. Yes, something like this. Then we'll just pick a line, cut through like this. Just cut through like that. Then we'll cut through like this again. Yeah. So trim TR and enter. So I'll just trim this and trim this and this. Yep. Then okay. So once that is done, so this is we'll go back to our text. So multi-text, I'll just put this here, highlight. So for example, now let's say this is our D1. Let's say this is our D1 specifying door 1. Okay, this is architectural, and architectural students will understand this very easily rather. So you need to have a architectural background to understand more of this detailings. So D1 is just specifying the number, the door tag. It's just like the door tag. We have D1, we have D2. So while you're looking for the door, when you just see D1, okay, this is where D1 will be used. It's just like an easier and faster process to understand the detailing of the building plan. So we have that to be D1. Then we can over here, let's just copy. We'll see something like this. Let's copy this here. Then let's copy. Sorry. Yes, okay. So 1 minute. I like this. Let's, for example, you see something like A002. Something like A002. Sorry. This is something like A002. So we could just move this from here to here. I think I need to let me zoom in. Let me zoom in properly. This is supposed to fit in, but it is not. So we just, you know, just move this here. So that's supposed to be okay. All right. So then this, copy this here. So escape. So this is just supposed to just be representing A. Most of you just be wondering what is this guy doing? What am I doing? Those studying architecture, this should not be a big deal for you. You should understand what I am doing here. It's just, you know, this A is specifying, okay, this is my table A, this is table B, this is D1 is specifying, okay, let's say D1 is usually the main entrance door as D1. Just how many doors do we have? D1 is usually specifying the main entrance door, and the main entrance door is usually specified as D1. So excuse me, here I'm giving an example of a toilet door. So once we're done with this, let's say for example we want to show an example of another door. Let's say we want to show an example of another door. So we'll just the same thing we did here. We'll just divide the table into, we'll just create another table, just that simple. Create another table. So something like this, yes. Then trim that off, just trim this off, yes. So once that is done, the same way we did this is what we are going to do here. So let's say we want to create let's say we want to create a room door. So okay, let me just do that. So it won't look as if this teacher is okay. All right, let's offset 300, enter. So offset 300 from here to here, then offset our door of 900, enter our 900 from here to here, then offset 300 as well, 300, enter. So 300 from here to here. So once we're done, we're just going to use our trim, tr, enter. So I'll be trimming from here downwards, then excuse me, then tr, enter, then I'll be trimming from here then downwards, then okay, I'll be trimming that as well, tr, enter. So I'll just trim this, then I'll just delete this, yeah, delete. Once I'm done, I'll pick my offset, then 300, then enter. So from here to here is 300, then repeat offset again, 300, enter. From here to here, that's 300. So what do I want to do? I want to trim. I'll trim this off, then this, then this, then this, and this. So once I am done, I'll just delete these lines. I'll click on them. I won't be needing them, so I'll just click on them, then delete. So once I am done, this is the door of 900, right? Okay, so from here to okay, it's about 900 thereabouts. So once I am done, I'll just the same way I designed this door, This is what I'm going to introduce here. Then the same way I went about this is what I'm going to do here. So you could decide to give it a different kind of door design. Depends on you. You could be creative the same way I went about the door frame and all that. So once we're done, let's say we have another door here. Let's say we have a door of 1 2 here. So we can just the same thing we did here, we'll just repeat it here. So for example, let me just save my time. For example, let's say we have a door of offset, excuse me. So the same way the same way I detailed this door is the same way I'm going to detail this door. So I'm just going to design this, give it detail. The same description here is what is coming here. Then location, where you see location, let's say these doors, 900 doors are mainly used in the rooms and kitchen. You specify that, or you can decide to have a different door for your room doors and a different door for your kitchen door. So you specify, you just design a 900 door separately and specify where it is used. Maybe you want to use your balcony. You might have about 3 900 doors, so you could just do 1 900 doors, maybe location for the rooms. Then you specify the numbers of rooms under total quantity. Then you could put another 900 door underneath. So what you just do is you're just going to just highlight all these. If you have about 900 doors you want to do, after designing, I believe you all have an understanding of what I'm trying to do. Then copy after designing with the door frame and all that. So what we're just going to do is we're just going to just copy this. We'll copy this here. So maybe we have like about 3, let's say we have like about 3 of our 900 doors. We have like 3 of 900 doors. So escape. Let's say we have like about 3 900 doors, for example. This is just for example. Oh, sorry. Just highlight. Let's assume I've done my door frames. I've added my dimension, just the same way I did this, and I've done my door handle. So I'm just going to let's say I have three doors. I have 3 doors. That is okay. Sorry. Let me use this one instead. Let's say I have 3 doors that is measuring 900, right? So I'm just going to copy this. So from this I'll just copy this, yep, to this point here. So let's say I have 3 doors measuring 900. It's not, maybe I want to use a different design for this door. Why I'm having 3 different doors is because the designs are different. Maybe this is having a very simple design, maybe this is having a different design with a different material. Then this is having a different design with it. Maybe this is wooden because it's room door. Maybe it's wooden doors. So my location will specify rooms here. Then here maybe this is maybe I want this to be kitchen. So my location will specify kitchen here. Then total number, maybe I have just 1 kitchen. Then under my door description I'll specify, maybe I want this to be wooden door as well, and the different design. Then maybe this 900 is for the balcony door. Specify location, specify numbers of balcony, specify the dimension. Maybe considering the fact that it's a balcony door, I might just decide to use American steel or American panel doors rather. So I'll just specify all that. So that is the point. Then this will be D1, right? This will be D1. This will be D2. This will be no, okay, yeah, this will be D1. Yeah, this will be D2. This will be D3. This will be D4. Yeah. Then okay. So that being done, I believe let me just offset 200. So I believe if you followed up with this first one, you should be able to replicate the same thing here. Should not be a big deal. So trim, enter. So I'm taking this off, then I'm taking this off. Yeah, so 200 again, that's 200, then enter. So as of set up 1 4 of this, 2, and then excuse me, 3, and one more, and 4. So same thing here, 1 2 3 and 4. Yeah, so once I'm done, I'll just offset my 300. So 300, yeah, from here downwards, then ex, enter. So I'll just close this up and close this up, then sorry, still ex, extend this to the other line, extend this to the other line, then I'll just zoom out. I'm just going to zoom out, and let me just assume I have just about 4 of them. So I'll just pick my line randomly. Oh sorry, I'll just go to my line, I'll just click on my line randomly. Let's say my description is ending somewhere around there, and so I'll just click there. Then what am I doing? I could use my fillet, I could use my trim, so I'll just click from here to here. I'm joining those 2 lines together. So I'm trimming every other thing here. I do not need all this, excuse me. So CR, enter. So I'll trim all this, taking it off. Then I'm just going to just join this line and this line together. Yep. Then trim, CR, enter. So I'm taking these lines off, taking this and this off. So that's for my doors schedule. So if you have more than this, we could decide to just keep taking it all the way down. If you have more door descriptions, then at the top of this is what we do. At the top of this, let's say at the top of this, we could just properly label this as click on our text, multi-text, just label this as our door should do. So we could easily label this as our door should do. So we won't mix that up. Then you could choose to underline it as if you want to. So door should do. So once we have that, once we could easily have that sorted out. Then for our window schedule, our window schedule is just typically the same thing we did here is the same thing we'll do for our window. The only difference is just going to be the design. Okay, for example, now I'm just going to just do it's just the same. It's actually just the same thing. Funny enough, it is just the same thing, but most of you just want me to just put it through. So for example, I'm just going to just highlight all this. Let me just highlight all this. I'm just going to highlight the whole of this. Yeah, then I'm just going to copy from here downwards. Let's just put it downwards. Okay, so yeah, so here on the other hand, although our windows are usually wider, so these are spaces will need to be a lot different. So I'm just going to highlight all this, then delete, then highlight all this, delete, sorry, escape, delete, highlight all this, then excuse me, then delete. So once I am done, I'm just going to, yeah, for example, now let's say I want to do a 1.5 design. For example, offset, let's say 300. Okay, 300 from, let's say 300 from here to here. All right, then okay, then let's see 1.5 now. Let's see 1.5 now. Wait. Okay, all this, I really do not want to, have to start repeating myself 20 times. So all this I can just easily move all this, right? I'll just move all this. I'll just move it forward first. So once I'm done, I'll offset, let's say my a window of 1.5 offset, then from here to here. Oh, from here to here is even my 1.5. Nice. So I'll take this off, then TR, enter. I'll take this off, right? After taking that off, I'll click this, this and this. Then I'll use my move. I'll just for the time being. So I'll offset 300 from here. Click on offset, then impute 300, then enter. Then from here to from here to here 300. I'll just highlight all this. I believe you understand what I am doing here. Then I'll move this, instead of having us to start redesigning and redrawing a new table. So this is just time saving. TR, enter. So you don't need to complicate matters. So then offset, let's say I have my height of my window to be offset 300. Let's say I have the height of my window to be 1.8, for example. TR 1.8 to be example. Okay, delete that. I'm just going to offset 1.8, then enter. So from here all the way here 1.8. So I'll trim out everything that is not relevant. I'll just trim this off. So once I am done, I'll set my frames to be, let's say 800, or let's say 80, sorry, or 75. Let me use 75. So 75, click from here. My window frames are usually internally, unlike door frames. Yeah, they're usually internal. So once I am done, I could decide I just want to let's say it's a sliding window. Yeah, so yeah, let's see, sorry, am I correct? I'm just going to get the mid. I'm trying to get the mid of so yeah, I'll delete that. So once I'm done, I'll just trim. So I'll just trim off the lines that are not looking like, are not making it look like a window, of a sliding window. So it depends on the kind of window you want. So this is just an example. Yeah. So extend this to touch. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, so that there we go. This is an example of a sliding window. Then we'll come back to our dimension. Then we have this to be, sorry, we have this to be 1.5. Have this to be 1.5 window, so we're just going to specify that here. Then we have this to be a 1.8 window. We're just going to specify that here as well. So that being done, yeah, then for all this now, we're now going to have to start moving and moving and moving and sorry, I was going to have to just move and just put all this in order. So I'll draw this a bit closer first. Yeah, fine and good. Now click on this, then on this, then on this, then this, and I use my move tool and move all this somewhere around here. Okay, then this my line is coming with me too, so I'll just click on move and I'll just move this somewhere here. Yeah, so we're done. So once that is done, I'll just zoom out. Yeah, I'll zoom out. Then the same adjustment we made here is what we'll make here. So in our detailing now, our detailing will be a little different. Not much, not really much, but just a little bit a little different. So this now, instead of door description, sorry, instead of door description, this will now become window description, right? So I'm just going to highlight this a lot more. So sorry, come on, I'll just be highlighting. Where is my highlight button? Yeah, so we're just going to just highlight this, then we just edit this here, we change this to window, then we just adjust this till it fits on the soft frame. Then in this case, okay, instead of height and width, instead of including height and width, since we already have the height, we can see the height and width here. We could just use this to be glass, so that we would, because for our windows we need glasses, so we know the kind of glass we're using here and whatnot. So that being said, I think we are good to go, and you can still choose to include the height and whatnot. So for our window description, let's say for example, sorry, just highlight all this. Windows descriptions are usually longer. So for example, let's say we have this to be 1.5 by, let's say 1.5 by 1.8, right, and 1.8 mm. It's aluminium, let's say aluminium let's say aluminium corner. What am I not spelling right? Aluminium. Oh, okay. Aluminium corner. Aluminium corner window. And we have width, let's see, with 900 by 1, let's see, Okay, I just divided that into okay, I see 900. Sorry, 900, 1 okay. It's side length. Let's see. Sorry. Let me just see 900 by 1/8 by 1/8 side lights. Sorry, let me see side lights. Sorry, by 1/8 side lights width. It's seal at 300 mm. Our this thing is usually well detailed. Window schedules are usually properly described, and lintel. Okay, also specify our lintel at 21 mm with complete let's say with complete accessories. This is complete accessories of matching colors. Oh, sorry. Windows are usually on the outside, so they're usually more detailed compared to. So once that is done, we just leave that as that. So okay, I'm just going to move this. Not forward, right? Yeah. So okay, this is what I'm going to do. I'll just transfer this downwards. Don't let me confuse you. So I'll just transfer this downwards. I'll take one more down. That's the offset 200. So I can use 2 lines for this. So 200 are coming all the way down. So this can move here, or better still, let me just highlight everything. Yeah. And yes, so I'll just move all this. Yeah. So once that is done, this can go off. So this just come. I'll just properly position this in the middle like this. Yeah, because Windows descriptions are usually very long. So for our subframe, we have our subframe let's say sorry, let's say we have this to be RAL 900. Let's see what sorry, RAL 900 epoxy coated. And oxidized. Okay, sorry. coated anodized aluminum. Aluminum in prime profile. So this is just an example of our detailing. So coming all the way on a straight line, yeah, like that. So glass, detail for glass. So let's say have our glass detail to be, let's say 40 by 10 mm. So let's say 40 by 10, let's say 40 by 10 mm. Let's say Olo section. MLS in prime profile. Okay, so once we're done, we keep it on a straight line. Keep this on a straight line as well. So yeah, location, let's say this type of windows we want to, I want to use them in my living room and master's bedroom. So I'll just specify living room and master's bedroom. Yeah, so once I'm done, I'll just leave that there. Then sorry, I forgot to drop this line down, so I'll just extend this and escape. So for my my total number, I'm just going to just copy this, copy this, bring it all the way here. So for my total number, escape. For my total number, I'll just double click, then highlight. Let's say 4. Let's say I have 4 numbers of this. I'll just put that 4 numbers. So stop. So yeah, then over here, this will be D. I mean, this will be W1. I have this to be W1. Then let's say this. Let's say we have this to be A102. Then we still have this to be A as well, and yeah, so there we go. So different window size and window shapes. It's just our doors and window schedules look something like this. So it could be longer than this depending on the types and the size. So we could just have this here, just copy this, sorry, or better still, we just click on our text, multi-text. So just highlight this to be window schedule. So just highlight this to be window schedule. Yeah, so once that is done, we're good. So we have our, so we can easily specify the one up is our door schedule, and the one below is our window schedule. So the same thing we do here is what we'll repeat on the other sides. So we could have as many as, this is just 1 2 3 4, we could have like about 6 sections of door schedule, 8 sections of door schedules, 10 sections of door schedules, depending on the designer. Window as well, we could have as many as possible. We could have as many as we can have up to 12 safe, depending on the sizes and the design and type of window. So this is our class for doors and window schedule. I believe this example is fine and good to go. So thank you for attending my AutoCAD classes so far. I want to believe you've been able to pick up a thing or two. And if you have any personal questions, you could just drop it on at the comment section. And please be kind enough to subscribe, like, comment, and enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you for being a part of my YouTube channel. Please do have a nice day. I remain Dunsin.